talk about a very confusing lesson in grammar, which is gerund. So, how does gerund look like? Gerund is known as the ing form of a word. For example, reading is my passion. So reading here is the ing form of the verb read. So you can say that any word that ends in ing is a gerund. However, the gerund has a twin, which means that they look exactly the same. The gerund twin is called the present participle. Let's look at some examples. The boys were walking to school. Walking. This is the ing form in this sentence. Walking to school is an easy way to take daily exercise. Walking again here is an ing form. So which one is the present participle and which one is the gerund? The first sentence, walking, is a present participle, and in the second sentence, walking is a gerund. In the first sentence, were walking is the past continuous. As you know, all the continuous tenses has ing form. So that ing forms is called the present participle. But the gerund is another thing. So, how do we use the gerund? We use the gerund as a subject of a verb. For example, running is a good way to keep fit. Running here is the subject of the sentence. In other words, it is the subject of the verb to be. Is. Running is a good way to keep fit. It can be also used as the object of a verb. For example, it has stopped raining. Raining here is the object of the verb stopped. So here we can say that the gerund can be a subject or an object of a verb. It cannot be a verb. We can also use it as an object of a preposition. For example, think before deciding. So here we have the preposition is before. So if you have to use a preposition in your sentence, you have to follow it by a gerund. There is no excuse for lying. For is a preposition too, followed by lying, which is a gerund. It can be also used as a complement of a linking verb. For example, looking at another player's card is cheating. So, is here is a linking verb. In other words, it is the main verb of the sentence. Cheating is the complement of the sentence or the complement of the linking verb. So when you say looking at another player's card is, you need a complement here, is cheating. But do not confuse it with the auxiliary verb be. When to be is used as an auxiliary, it can be followed by a present participle. We have here in the example, one of the players is cheating. Here we have the present continuous. Is the auxiliary verb be. Cheating is the present participle. Gerund can be followed by certain verbs and expressions. Let's look at them. It can be followed by a possessive determiner. For example, we did not approve of their changing the rules. So there here is a possessive determiner. It can be followed by the gerund. It can be also followed by a personal pronoun. For example, we did not approve them changing the rules. Them here is a personal pronoun. This can be also followed by expressions like I can't stand, can't resist, get used to, enjoy, imagine, look forward to. So these expressions and verbs can be followed, are always followed by the gerund. For example, I can't stand watching him die. I can't resist going on a trip. You should get used to dealing with strangers. I am used to drinking coffee in the morning. She enjoys studying in an open space. I imagine having a cat at home will be amazing. He looks forward to meeting you. These are the expressions that can be followed by the gerund. Now let's look at verbs that can be followed by both gerund and infinitive. You can choose either to use the gerund or the infinitive. For example, continue, the verb continue. She continues having the conversation. Or you can say, they continue to bully him. So here, after the verb continue, we used the gerund and the infinitive. I hate to say this, but. So hate is followed here by infinitive. In the other sentence, we have it followed by the gerund. He hates watching over kids. We have also the verb love. She loves to hear from you. I love spending time with you. We have also the verb prefer. I prefer being honest than losing my face. She prefers to live with her father. And the verb start. They start to feel bored. He starts feeling bored. You can use either forms. They are correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to look at the infinitive video to have a whole picture. God bless you. Bye.